Welcome back to Aside Hot on top of the senior brother for the television stations when they inside the world. Wazobia TV, Star Times Channel 195, Ezugu Chukudi, Unkubi, and our Ogbonge visitor, Ogagbola Oba, they inside house today. And we dey discuss all the action things we happen for Nigeria over the weekend. We don't talk about the forgery when they talk say it happened for the House of Senate as they concern the standing order. Police don't they look into the matter. They don't come out with their investigation, and soon we go know as everything they go. Our next story when we've been discussed now as Boko Haram Jaguda people through one small pikin enter the Sunday market for inside Damaturu, go do Goa inside that place. We don't talk and say we go pursue these people come up our country, we go win them, but it be like say somehow they still they show their power. Time don't reach for us to just they give only solutions and not be talk. And our Ogbonge visitor go chook mouth for on top of the matter. Ogagbola Oba, how you take things say we fit for final come out this thing come out for inside our country?
The way person they take remove mosquito where they around this scrotum. You understand the thing where they talk?
You go understand our way.
The way person they take remove mosquito or fly where they around person's scrotum. Now softly.
They know they force.
Because if you go hit a mama, you miss the. Even if you catch the mosquito, catch the.
What if the person good way? Like he get military background, he get the way he take hit am.
Now here they go now. Why you they drag me for road?
No,
now?
because based on say me I get military background, I make me the.
So now this me to start with, he pay me small. Say Oga Muhammadu Buhari, he lose the momentum where Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, as Oyinbo people go talk, belatedly the momentum where Oga Goodluck Jonathan belatedly. You know, say when Oyinbo they talk, someone you go push your heart up. The momentum when leave behind. No, you know, late, but at a point before him go, especially when he won't take that postponement due in Wuru. I know say that because I know say you be a PDP supporter. You know, the momentum where they that window. If we say we continue and if we good, but we don't continue. As we speak now, hundreds of people don't lose their lives since 29th of May, where this president come in. They make effort. You don't go meet our neighbors. They don't even put in place now. They don't have in place military infrastructure, command and control system. Where be say not be only Nigeria they fight the war now. Now we together where would they get the problem for the region? Nigeria, Chad, Niger, Cameroon. Person go give an effort there. But the truth be say now, they just change military leadership. This one self, they follow transition. If Baba goes slow, say himself, they read transition note. If they take him, it go take him like 3 months before he choose minister. I no go think say Baba go slow, go expect the new military chiefs when just change. Make them also no read the transition this thing. It's unfortunate say Nigerian lives they lose. But the problem na global problem because Boko Haram now don't become a branch of ISIS. And their own strategy too. And the stratagem where they take, you know, say, Oyinbo people get waiting they call strategy, the big picture, and the stratagem. In the stratagem, another stratagem, they say 10-year-old Pikin. Make it, who go think say 10-year-old Pikin go get bomb for body? You understand? But now war against people where no fear God, where they use the name of God, they lie. He go pay Oga Buhari as somebody wey work for him, as somebody wey won't believe say he support APC. He go pay him, make it quick because Nigeria, when Nigerians lose patience, make it go here, make it go.
The action and waiting exactly him go do. Now the question.
From what you could going by we know say these attacks now like gorilla kind of attack. then you no go even fit decide where this people go attack next. And then the strategy wey they come out now, where we say na small girls, and then become the people where they wear this thing for face, this Islamic exactly.
burqa.
If you look other countries where they also fight with this issue, you go see some of them don't they put an end to say, okay, make we see your face, make know where this thing, so that even if you go happen, go feel know where we go trace and go. It is say these things, if we feel, you know, if you say, if we also adopt this system, also check other areas where we feel say yes, this thing they also attack us from, it will also at least help reduce the level of attack who they get.
My brother, the measures or the policies or the strategy where we go take fight this one, make it dey successful, one of them na the issue of the burqa where you raise, but it passed the burqa. You see, a lot of people, I am not a Muslim, but I try to read on any subject. A lot of people, they very ignorant of, so even the faith, where they claim, say, then they practice. Islam no mandate say make women dey in burqa. Now the cultural hangover of the area where Islam first emanated, and the area where it reach through conquest in Asia, that is between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Now in that cultural baggage, come on, Islam say, you know, make people they force women wear this thing. Indeed, in Islam is a matter of choice for woman to wear them if she won't wear them or not to wear them. But in the circumstance where we there now, where we say people they use them, they punish us. Chad, Niger, especially, make I use the example of Niger and Nigeria because our name resembles small. Niger na 95% Islamic country, 95% Islamic country. And yet, common sense tell them, say because then they use that thing to inflict injury
To their people, yes.
on their national security, then say temporarily, they no ban them. Then say temporarily, we want to see people they high. The Nigerian government no fit say am because of the fear of how some radical elements for where they practice the faith ignorantly in Nigeria go take am.
No, but we get president when we say evil people they look up to Ram, and we agree say na devout Muslim.
I know say.
Wetin exactly he go do?
I know say you go jump like a police dog.
No, because nothing where we find ban street beggars and people when we say they do all this kind of thing. The following week they come and they protest.
They will protest.
Now the question I say, waiting because every Sunday,
No, the major thing is say
This
na
thing dey always dey happen.
the national interest they will need to
virtually
come
every
out.
Sunday.
Before
If not be
any other
Nigeria,
thing.
it dey happen for Northern Cameroon.
I say now almost every day now. Wetin dey.
Oh, almost every day. Me, I even dey package the thing.
But you see, the thing where me they talk now, they say the issue of burqa now one of the strategy. Now one of the this thing where go dey the basket of strategy. Another thing be say, make we follow each other talk true. Boko Haram now because of the failure of our intelligence infrastructure. Chukudi.
Sir? Sir?
If person they mess up your house, if person they cause you katakata, the best way to divide the person from spoiling the thing where you don't build, now to put intelligence infrastructure where we say before you even reach your house cause wahala, you don't pin them.
Or anywhere when in day.
You see, the people where be Boko Haram, they no be angels. They are not from Mars. They are, even by the virtue of where then they worship, by the virtue of the Salafist confession, then they call them Salafist confession in Islam, the extreme end, where even they dearer and tougher than the Wahhabist one, where then they practice in Saudi Arabia. You go see them by their conduct, by their this thing. These are people where we say then, you know what? You know why children they come into the picture, they bomb? because that kind of extreme Salafist Islam, the papa of the pikin believes, say, if I donate this boy or if I donate this girl, make he or she go bomb himself or herself and bomb people around the particular place, and they accelerate the boy movement into heaven.
So this one not even pass.
So
which means
intelligence.
we need to work on first.
So that is why some people like us, they happy say majority of the chieftains where they newly appoint for this for the armed services and the NSA, then get intelligence background. Because as it is now, Shukudi, now firefighting approach with the use. Firefighting, the fire. Ooh, as they
happen. Now, just anywhere where they happen, put her there. Anyway, at least, I understand what Oga Goloba dey try talk. Make we bring in the intelligence level into am. Make we know as we go take as strategize and know say okay, where possibly this thing fit hit again. Make we go
make I give you one example where go make the picture clear to people where they watch us. Because all this grammar will they blow. Now motion them born me. Now motion I grow. Now, if you tell me say wahala they begging for motion, the nature of the way where you describe the wahala, I go know the area.
You go know Akala
so,
now.
no be only Akala. No be only Akala. If there's some people where they do harm now because of the fight for drug or this thing, I go know say na Akala. If you tell me say boys between one area and say one boys from another area, they won't do this thing, I go know say if you like between Dioro and
that railway side.
You understand? You see, intelligence is very important when person they fight war. No be only even Boko Haram. Anything where they trouble your life. If you sit down, you put intelligence this thing together, and that intelligence will grow organically. No be as they put them, they go day effective.
Okay, Oga Goloba, we get Ogo Biora. Ogo Biora, good morning.
Good morning. What the honor there?
We dey for abeg, raise your voice up small, make we hear you.
Oga, good morning, sir.
Good morning, my brother. Obiora, where they use bedroom voice. I like your bedroom voice.
I'm happy if I see you in that program. I like to see you there always.
Thank
So,
you.
Thank you.
Good morning. You see what I want to contribute this morning for this our issue, huh? Issue of forging of procedure of Senate. You know, issue of the matter as a person cannot amend constitution or guideline. So if there is forgery, and you know they must amend that guideline before the procedure. And after the amendment, they cannot go to press as of that time. So when you look at this thing, you find out that it's something that majority of people there do. But the APC problem is say they leave the men meat, they pursue rats. So when the meat come run past them, they come they cry. So they're supposed to cool down. Then if they want to move it for the money, they must follow due process. If not, the crisis will not end. Because now, APC cannot make a two-thirds of majority in that Senate. So without PDP supporting them, this country will not move forward. So let them take note of that. And again, this issue of DH. You know, DH, I think they have changed their plan. So it's a very big work now. And it will not be for government alone. People, inside people, religious teachers, the mother, the father, everybody is supposed to put hands together. Because they have changed from insurgents to family affairs. So let God help us. Thank you for a very good job, Daddy.
Thank you very much, Oga Biora from Yola. You don't discuss the issues, chook mouth on top. Where? Oga Goloba, this one not very, very clear. Say we not be just mouth. No, say we just they do small action and we go use solve this problem. We go do a lot more. From Yola, we will go Abuja, collect this call from Oga Igo. Oga Igo, good morning, sir.
Oga Igo, good morning. Oga Igo.
Hey, be like say Oga Igo network strong somehow. We go beg am say make him try, change in location, call us, make himself fit chook mouth on top of this matter. We'll go another very important one we'll discuss. We no go dwell on top of am because it just be like say na normal thing when we say political parties they do. the PDP come and talk say the visit when Oga President go do for USA, say he no bring out anything from am, say he no make any sense. And the APC don fire back, say if they continue to dey make this kind empty statement, say they no go be viable or vibrant opposition. Make we leave them, make them settle their quarrel because it dey always be among them like that.
No, trend, really.
Tomorrow, our legislators then they will come together. Oga President they meet with the APC reps members this evening. What do you think say be the most likely thing wey fit comot from that meeting? Shey we don see end to this crisis, abi na just the same of the same?
As person wey una know well say I work make APC government come into power. As person wey be say apart from say I use all my intellect and whatever, even my resources make APC come to power, I have bad news for the president though. I have very, very bad news for the president. The bad news we I get for the president be say he show political naivety. The thing where I don't know how to put am for broken well. He show political naivety. He allow the bird make it fly comot for inside the cage. The bird wey dey asunder in the sky, you know, easy to catch.
At all.
As we dey speak now, and I'm talking as somebody who is as disappointed as the president, I'm talking as somebody who has seen in real politic term, what they call real politic now, reality, no be theory. In real politic term now, the de facto majority in the House of Reps, also in the House, in the upper chamber, the Senate, the de facto majority, no be on paper, no be the one where people they talk majority, the de facto majority na one party where they call, they call APDP. The renegade elements of the APC
yes.
were combined with the PDP will maintain their wholesome block, and those renegade elements of the APC don't benefit from the alliance with PDP bloc. I don't know the thing where the president go talk, where go make Dogara
Change your mind.
change your mind. You know what? Because Dogara is, no be say Dogara they act in script. Dogara is acting as the facade where PD. It be like say make person we won't do boxing. They come wear boxing glove for you. You go think say na the glove they hit you. Now my punch they hit you.
But before we can't eat, because the way you don't set your hand, even though I get military background, but blow the plus blow. If now could be I for stand, but you we go quickly rush, go this break. When we come back, we'll continue our discussion for the final lap as it dey hot. Welcome to As It Dey Hot on top of Wazobia TV Star Times channel 195, and we dey discuss ogbonge things wey happen for Nigeria over the weekend. First, we talk about the issue wey get to do with the forgery for inside the House of Senate, where they talk say some people somehow alleged.
You know why I say I go say alleged? Until court of
Proven,
law, until
yes.
a court of competent jurisdiction. Like how the people go say, until a court of competent jurisdiction pronounce on now, na alleged.
But the way the thing dey, e be like say whether we like am or not. Because the senior special advisor to the president on media and publicity
accepting
don come and talk say the president no go chook hand inside the matter when e come to prosecution. So for them, they don already conclude say the thing dey the way e dey.
Like you already,
alleged na English wey dem put for the front.
Like you already conclude before me correct you, say Ekremadu dey involved. And I tell you say Ekremadu dey go fight for him political life for east in the time wey that Ekremadu dey run print shop.
I no go allow you.
E be like say you and Nkubi wan support yourself against me.
Oga Gwaloba.
Even though where I dey come from, na the place
so now you na him you wan contract your military background.
Chukudi.
No, sir.
Chukudi o.
Sir.
Chukudi o.
Na Mushi come from bear that in mind.
Oh, you answer you never leave that thing.
No, it's not like that.
Oga, hey, abeg I go ask question based on wetin we dey talk before we go break. But Igbo don come back. Igbo, good morning. Oga Igbo. Oga Igbo. Hello.
This is a network.
And a
Oga
network.
Igo, you still need to call us back, but abeg.
Hello?
Yes, okay, hello, Oga Igo, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm not saying now you don't want to make the network pass through.
Hey, you see, I've been allegedly accused of doing.
Alleged,
Today now when you wear suit and people the wear suit.
I look good, don't I?
Yes, yeah, you look good.
Thank you very
today,
much.
At least once for once you be gentleman for today. I'll call you gentleman for today. Our guest for there. Good morning. I greet you.
Good morning, my brother.
The matter of I won't go to the matter of issue of Boko Haram for Nigeria. I know I really think you try, but the pattern according to our guest for there, we need intelligence reports. Not the we just say yeah the apple here we just go there do come out. No, not be like that. If you go to other advanced countries, if you say if they win the one, why you not change back to the local system? Use the local people for the area to fight the people. Because one, now they go know them, now they go know the terrain, and they go know the ground. You give them weapons, you give them advanced weapons, you give them weapon, just give them a little welfare, then they go fight for you. They go tell you the ground. Not every time they say, you go use force, go use force, go use force. They don't use force for the past how many years? We know they win the war. Let's go down to the local level. Let's use the elders, the boys inside the community to fight these people. More use that method. If we use that method, I believe it will work. And also, make them see the welfare of the soldier. If you welfare them, why we say our Nigerian soldiers, will they go outside other country, will they win the war? They will come Nigeria, will not win the war. Why? They are not, the welfare of our soldiers are not taken care of at all. Because if you see somebody today, he died for Boko Haram Wahala for death. The family, they are able to pay the pension of the family. They don't go fit. Those are the problems with the fight. They say, go for they say, what did they give me? If I die, don't forget my family. Let Buhari see to the welfare of the soldier. Let it go down to the last person to see to the welfare of the soldier. You will say we will win Boko Haram.
Thank you very, very much for your contribution. And also thank you for all the points where you don't raise on top of the issues where we don't discuss so far. Respond to all these.
No, to be honest with you, me, I agree with all the things when you talk, especially the local people. Even if we know, because maybe we dey fear proliferation of the thing whether they call proliferation of small arms. Even if
no vex. Ogoke, make sure that you go feel sum am up. Ogoke, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, Ogoke.
Hello.
We dey hear you, right on.
Good morning, Mr. Chokode.
Good morning, Ogoke.
Good morning, our big match crew. When they come out anyhow. Mr. Boloba, welcome to the studio.
thank you very much for the.
Make I contribute. I joined the show late, but I picked 2 points. First of all, I want to condemn the bomb we blast yesterday.
Okay.
And I pray that God will grant those who lost their souls eternal rest.
Amen.
I think he gets that time, like I said earlier, that time where our former president, that time where they want to do election, he get the system where they take fight is to push them out. So it remains small, make it clear. I feel saying that parties they supposed go fight. Go find out how it take happen, how it take do them. May they push this people because every day we they miss our loved ones. Every day people they die. Just be like saying a chicken, they die. No, maybe not because we never touch our own person or we never miss our own personal person. That's why we never react to it. Then again, our president, the visit to America, he don't come back. He just be like say nothing and I didn't even feel anything. And again, I can't ask myself, our president go visit American president and the American president travel out still and our president still in America. So I don't see I'm saying a better one be that. I don't see him. Thank you. God bless you now.
Thank you very much, Ogoke from Calabar.
But then we also need to say, our president don't come back. Listen. So Oga Boloba, react to this.
My brother will call before.
Ego.
He say make we domesticate the fight against the problem around the areas where the problem they happen. You know, that one for me is very important because especially in the intelligence infrastructure we go build. you no fit know people, you no fit know bad element in any community except you work with people wey dey the community and wey be the victims of the mischief wey those people dey do. That's number one. Number two, he make the point about the way we dey treat our soldiers. If you know, if I die, I know say my pikin go dey for problem, my wife go dey for problem. If you say make I march forward, I go dey march backward o. But you see that my brother wey call last, he come make one point before him go to this political issue about the president journey to America. The point be say, you know, like I myself say earlier on, when President Goodluck Jonathan, when he postponed the election, when he buy the military, the platforms where they need, all the equipment where they need, then wallop Boko Haram, then beat them well because that time Boko Haram take territory.
True.
If we do conventional warfare, you know, face to face, soldier to soldier, Nigerian soldier don't show superiority to Boko Haram. Now he make Nigerian soldier take almost the size of Belgium back from Boko Haram. But we don't get to a level now say, as they use the military power, as they use that one, they use above all intelligence. Because if you don't nip this thing at the board, my brother, it go just be like scatterjack where we dey see now.
Our people wey dey for house, una don hear all the things wey be say our ogbonge visitor Oga Agbola Oba get to talk as e take concern the major stories wey happen for Naija over the weekend. But at the end, all of us suppose exercise patience as it take concern our Oga Presido. Continue to dey support our soldier people them because we believe say they go pursue this Boko Haram people will come up our country and we all go live in peace. And most importantly, if we dey talk, just like we don't talk on top of this show, make we know they conclude say na like this it don't be until we reach the end. That one na because it take concern Ike Ekwere Madu matter. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic where they come on smoke. Oga Agbola Oba, we go thank you, say, at short notice. Say you just even come back from your,
you know, see my hand
from your tour of Europe.
I say, my hand dey up, say, na me dey blessed, pass say you call me.
You go bring an arm, will shake you.
170 million Nigerians, you call this Olodo.
Thank you very much.
God go bless you too.
Thank you very much.
And don't go escape her. God go bless you too.
Thank you very much. So,
if una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.